at this in here, guys. And this part here. Wow. Look at these here, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Wow. How stunning are they? They are just absolutely gorgeous, aren't they? The old pan. The old chimney. Not too sure what else is up here, but it really is stunning, ain't it? Beautiful it is. Absolutely stunning. Look at that beauty there, guys. Look at this, what we just come across here. Can you imagine that in the olden days? I'm not sure if it would have been pulled by a horse or who knows, eh? But wow, this is a stunning location, it really is. It's absolutely beautiful. Now I hope that the owner or owners don't mind us being here. Obviously we're not going to protrude. Yeah. Door doorway, open doors. Absolutely stunning. I'm not sure there might be some kind of carpenter. Got some fresh dog food there, which look a bit scary. Nonetheless, on we shall proceed. Milo, come on boy. Today we are here with Milo as always. No, I wasn't going to make a video out of this, but it does look rather stunning, doesn't it? We are being honest. I mean, we've got the motorway behind us, we've got busy roads all around us, but yet we are still bang in the middle of the countryside. With just little random things like this. Hi. Bang in the middle of the countryside. With just little random things like this. Hi. Kitchen sink. Kind of overflows and stuff. Absolutely awesome.
Footsteps of the past retrace the path of yesterday. Capture for replay in a safe space. Pour the dust, remnants of golden years to the past. Cheers, forecasts amidst the fear. Got a bottom right, they shine from every square. Bonded by Father Time, the set draw near. Closer than a beer, the snow combs the air. Explore with Ashby, hope you came prepared.
Milo! Absolutely beautiful, isn't it? Absolutely beautiful. Milo, come here now! Milo, come here! No, no! Milo, come here! Milo, come here this way, good boy! Sorry guys, the dog's being a bit of a plonk at the minute. So guys, have a little look in here. Now look at that, this is where you would have, the livestock would have come through. I'm assuming you would have counted them, but it's very old, full of detail. Milo, come here. Milo, come here, get out of there. There might be animals in there. So I'm assuming this is where the animals will come in the winter time. Oh, you see that little bird in there then? That was stunning that. Milo, get out of there, Milo, come on. Milo, out of there. Come on, boy. Wow. Good boy. Facing the sun. Not too much of a good idea. 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 Goodbye, Milo. Come on, boy. So guys, let's go around this side here. There, Milo. Stay dead there. Oh wow, we've got some livestock in here. Oh, look at all these. Hey, chaps. Well, I knew it was a farm and it was in use, but that's awesome, that. So guys, I'm not too sure how good you can see these fellas, but I'm going to leave them to it. Beautiful they are. Crack on. Come on, Milo. Milo, this way, baby. Come on, Milo. Come on, Milo. Goodbye. No, this way. I don't know why you all seeing there so bad. There's only wood and that in here. Might make a good photo. Interesting. So guys, here's another part of the little shed here. Milo, come here. It's absolutely stunning, isn't it? Oh, look at them old rackets there, guys. Wow, they're pretty old, aren't they? Old bottles, lots of feed, so much age. Not too sure what they are there. Old doors, barbed wire. Look at the old brickwork, guys. Come on, Milo. Milo, come over. Milo! Milo! Milo, come here this way! You alright, pal? I just took some pictures round the back, you don't mind, do you?
Sorry?
I've just been taking some photos round the back. It's such a beautiful building. It's absolutely gorgeous, but I just thought, you don't mind. I knew that someone was there, but I couldn't find anyone to ask permission to. So yeah, I've just been speaking to the farmer. The building is absolutely stunning, absolutely beautiful it is. So I'll be adding that footage in. I nearly went over that flipping drop there, isn't it? But yeah, fun times. But this place is absolutely stunning. Now, out of respect, I did not go into there because there are a lot of idiots in the area and people might come back and take something perhaps, even though it's very hard to find. I have lived in this area for many years and I have never known about this place myself, but well, obviously I've come across it. But yeah, anyway guys, that's enough waffling from me. Until next time, from me and Milo. Mwah! Milo, this way. So guys, I just stopped at Hollingsworth Lake. See the duckies? Come here, Milo. See, we've got Milo here, but Milo is totally mad. And he'll chase anything. Won't you, Milo? It's a beautiful day today. Stunning day. So guys, a massive thank you for watching the video. It's not been like the normal videos, but I just felt like doing something a little bit different, something a bit more out with nature. I've took some photos, I'll be adding them in. Tried to get good with my camera, learning how to catch birds in mid-flight, which is a lot harder than you might think, because unless you get the aperture right and the settings perfect, shutter speed, etc., then they just turn out as a massive blur. So I hope you like the photos, I hope you like the video. If you do, feel free to subscribe, leave a comment guys, let us know what you think of Hollingsworth Lake and the surrounding area, and I wish you all an awesome day, week, month, year. Remember, chase your dreams guys, get out there, don't just keep yourself locked away, get out, enjoy the world.